Hi, my name is Hasnia Seminar, HRM 134. How was my holiday season? I have my notes. Well, although it is not really bad, I still have something to share. The truth is, we never ever celebrate holidays such as Christmas and New Year because, but even if we don't celebrate Christmas, it is polite to offer special greetings and farewells throughout the month of December. You can exchange holidays wishes with anyone, including colleges, clients, friends, teachers, and anyone in the service industry, like uh, cashiers, waiters, bus drivers, hairdressers, etc. Also, we don't use Merry Christmas to greet someone or others who are celebrating holiday season. We use Happy Holidays instead of Merry Christmas because I am a Muslim. I am a Muslim, so if you are using Merry Christmas, you are an ignorant Muslim because Muslims don't celebrate holidays except except of our two official um, holidays in Islam, such Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr means celebrated at the end of Ramadan, a month of fasting. We don't eat 6 hours. Oh yeah, 6 hours. I mean more than 6 hours. And we Muslims usually give zakat. In English, charity. On the occasion, Eid al-Adha is where Muslims usually sacrifice an animal and distribute it meat among family, friends, and especially the poor. So this is the end of my story for my holiday season because my English is no more. Thank you.